Hi, if you want to use Smart Select on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open Settings. Here, go in the Display tab, and after that, go in the Edge Panels. And as a first tab, enable it by tapping on the switcher, and now you can see this line on the right side of the screen, which is for the Edge Panels. So now let's choose this section, and here, to add Smart Select, we will need to go in the Panels, swipe left, and here just put a check mark on the Smart Select to add it to the Edge Panels. Now let's go back and it will save the changes. So how to use it? You just need to swipe left till you find your Smart Select tab. Here it is. And now simply choose one figure from the list. For example, let's choose rectangle. Here we can adjust the size. We can just drag the corners, and when you are done, tap this down button and you can see it as a screenshot. You can pin it, copy. Here you can share with the screenshot. You can just copy text from the screenshot, translate and share, also add to notes, and you can save the screenshots to a gallery. So let's do it one more time, but with oval now. And here just follow the same steps. Tap this done button, and now let's, for example, pin it, and here is how it will look. And also you can close it right now, and you can see this pin and insert. You can also adjust the size of the picture here, select pin and insert, and here is how it will look. You can drag it whenever you want across the screen, and to remove it you just need to tap it and select this cross. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.